Hello everyone, welcome to the Target for IQ. Today we are going to study about the Indus Valley Civilization, which is one of the very important topic of ancient Indian history. So beginning with Indus Valley Civilization, the Indus Valley Civilization is considered as an indelible landmark in ancient Indian history for presenting to the world the most advanced and well defined culture. It is more appropriate to call it as Harappan civilization, as Harappa is the first site the excavation of which brought this civilization to light. So, as I already told you, that Indus civilization is a very important topic covered under the ancient Indian history, and it is also known as the Harappan civilization. And the reason behind this is that Harappa was the first site to be excavated. That is why it is known as the Harappan civilization. Third point, Harappan civilization is considered to be a Bronze Age civilization. Harappan civilization एक Bronze Age civilization है, and it was excavated और इसको excavate किया गया था in the year 1921 by Dayaram Sahni at Montgomery district of Punjab, which is now in Pakistan on the bank of river Ravi. So from third point, we get some four important points that Harappan civilization को Bronze Age civilization कहते हैं. इसका excavation 1921 में हुआ था. किसने किया था? दयाराम साहनी ने किया था. और कहाँ पे किया था? At Montgomery district of Punjab, जो कि अब पाकिस्तान में है, रावी रिवर के बैंक्स पे. Moving on to fourth point, whereas Mohenjo-daro excavated in 1922 by Rakhaldas Banerjee in Larkana district of Sindhi, now in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro. Now from fourth point we get three important points that मोहनजोदाड़ो का excavation 1922 में हुआ था. किसने किया था? रखलदास बैनर्जी ने किया था. और कहाँ पे? लारकना डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ सिंधी, जो अब पाकिस्तान में है. Moving on to the fifth point, both of the called capital cities and Lothal, Sutka Gendor, Alahadino, Balakot and Kuntasi are called as port city. The sixth point says that the geographical extent of Harappan site was spread over as its western boundary covers Sutka Gendor on the Makran coast of Pakistan, eastern boundary as Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh, southern boundary as Daimabad in Maharashtra, and northern boundary as Manda Akhnur in Jammu and Kashmir. Now moving on to the next important point, that John Marshall firstly derived the word Harappan civilization and Indus Valley civilization. It is one of the very important point to be noted that Harappan civilization और Indus Valley civilization को ये दो words को derive किया था जॉन मार्शल ने. Okay, moving on to the next important topic, that is Harappan civilization. The first point says this site is situated on the bank of river Ravi at the distance of 25 km southwest city of Montgomery in Pakistan. Harappan site जो है वो रावी रिवर के बैंक पे situated है, जो कि पाकिस्तान में जो Montgomery है उसके 25 km साउथ में. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज दैट इसका एक्सकेवेशन 1921 में हुआ था. और किसने किया था? दयाराम साहनी की लीडरशिप में हुआ था. एंड द थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट हरप्पा को दो सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, सिटाडल एंड द लोअर टाउन. ये एक फोर्टिफाइड स्ट्रक्चर है बिल्ट ऑन अ रेज्ड मैन मेड प्लेटफॉर्म. Moving on to the next important point, there were houses outside the fortified area probably belonging to the poor and working class. Brick-built houses were found in the fortified area. Next point, 6 granaries covering an area of 275 square meters have been found, and more than 892 seals are also found. Important pieces of sculpture also found, such as red stone idol of Dangsingals. It was also called Gateway City due to its location. A very important point and a very notable point that Harappan site को हम Gateway City बोलते हैं इसकी लोकेशन की वजह से. Moving on to the another important site of Indus Valley civilization, that is Mohenjo-daro. Sindhi में Mohenjo-daro means Mound of the Dead. It was excavated in 1922 under the leadership of R.D. Banerjee, that is Rakhaldas Banerjee. It is located at the bank of Indus River in Larkana district of Pakistan. See, we get four important points from this first पॉइंट ऑफ मोहनजोदाड़ो दैट सिंधी में मोहनजोदाड़ो का मतलब होता है माउंट्स ऑफ द डेड। इसका एक्सकेवेशन कब हुआ? इन द ईयर 1922 में। और किसकी लीडरशिप में हुआ? रखलदास बैनर्जी की लीडरशिप में। इसका लोकेशन क्या है? इंडस रिवर के बैंक पे है, लारकना डिस्ट्रिक्ट, पाकिस्तान। सेकेंड पॉइंट, इट कंसिस्ट ग्रेट बाथ। यहाँ पर ग्रेट बाथ है जिसका ब्रिक का फ्लोर है और इसको बिटमनाइज किया गया है वाटर लीकेज को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए। Third point says that the towns are well planned on grid pattern, proper arrangements for light, air and drainage with covered drains. And the fourth point says that houses also contain a courtyard, a well and a kitchen which was made by bricks. Moving on to the next important site of Indus Valley civilization after Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, that is Chahanudaro. Chahanudaro is situated 80 miles south of Mohenjo-daro and it is excavated by N.G. Majumdar in 1931. चाहनुदारो जो है वो मोहनजोदारो से 80 माइल्स साउथ में सिचुएटेड है और इसका एक्सकेवेशन 1931 में हुआ था। और किसने किया था? N.G. मजूमदार ने। इस सिटी के जो रेजिडेंट है, इस साइट के जो रेजिडेंट है, इस टाउन के जो रेजिडेंट्स हैं, ये स्किल्ड क्राफ्ट्समैन है। And it is also called as Lancashire of India. Very important to be noted that which site of Indus Valley is known as Lancashire of India? Chahanudaro. ओके, गेटवे सिटी हरप्पा को बोलते थे, माउंट्स ऑफ द डेड इज मोहनजोदाड़ो, लैंकाशायर ऑफ इंडिया इज चाहनुदारो। ओके, मूविंग ऑन, इट इज ओनली इन द सिटी विदाउट एनी citadel water leakage. The towns are well planned on grid pattern, proper arrangements for light, air and drainage with covered drains. Houses also contain a courtyard, a well and a kitchen which was built by bricks. Moving on to another important site of Indus Valley civilization, that is Lothal. Lothal is located in Bhal region in Gujarat and is excavated by Dr. S.R. Rao in 1957. So the three important points, Lothal की location क्या है? Bhal region in Gujarat. इसका excavation कब हुआ? 1957 में। और किसने किया? Dr. S.R. Rao ने। Second point says that the red black clay pots and copper tools excavated from this city are believed to be from the pre-Harappan period. It is known for its dockyard. इसको इसकी dockyard के लिए जाना जाता है। वर्ल्ड का पहला tidal port, sea trade with contemporary western societies, particularly Oman. Moving on to fourth point, it is also known as Manchester of Harappan civilization. Which site is known as the Manchester of Harappan civilization? Lothal. Okay. Moving on to the next important site, that is Kalibangan. It was located in Ganganagar district of Rajasthan and it was excavated by Dr. B.B. Lal and B.K. Thapar in 1961. Kalibangan की location है गंगानगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान। इसको एक्सकेवेट किया था डॉक्टर बीबी लाल और बीके थापर ने, और कब किया था? 1961 में। द फोर्ट एंड द टाउन आर सराउंडेड बाय अ रैम्पैट। इट डजंट प्लान्ड एज मोहनजोदाड़ो and it didn't have a drainage system. In this site, the archaeological finding are 7 fire altars, camel bones, wheels, well, gram tigger, mark seal and Mesopotamian cylindrical seal. Okay, the literal meaning of Kalibangan is black bangle. And yet important point to be noted that what is the literal meaning of Kalibangan? The literal meaning of Kalibangan is black bangle. Okay, moving on to the next important site of Indus Valley civilization, that is Banavali. It was excavated in 1974. बनावली को excavate किया गया था 1974 में, और किसकी लीडरशिप के अंडर किया गया? R.S. विष्टा की लीडरशिप में। It was the center of pre-Harappan civilization and later became a major center of Harappan civilization. ये already pre-Harappan civilization का center था, लेकिन बाद में ये Harappan civilization का major center बन गया। Roads bisect each other at right angles and covered drains are a common feature. In this site, archaeological findings are gold-plated earthen beads, terracotta, copper points of arrows, weights, pottery, people leaf-shaped earrings, and statues of man and animals are found. So, this was all about the important sites of the Indus Valley civilization. And if you see the previous year question papers, PYQs, or any MCQs of various governmental examinations, you will find many such questions relating to these sites or from which have been asked from the Indus Valley civilization. So, these were some of the very basic and important points regarding the sites covered under the Indus Valley civilization that we study in ancient Indian history. So I hope you all have understood the points, and you will remember the points. I have tried my best to make you learn and make you understand the little things which are important for your prelims examinations and for your mains as well. So have a happy learning. Thank you so much.